Okay, another day in Tokyo. Let's see what this day brings. Legit, this is all I have in Japan for this backpacking trip. Very amusing that I could actually pull it off. It's crazy. You really don't need much. Brother, it's mad today. Just joking, I'm camping Spain. Anyways, what is up, guys? Today, hopefully I filmed some cool stuff. I don't know where we're going, but we're here in Tokyo. And again, you know, I'm just with this backpacking throughout. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy today's videos. Let's go. This is what we're looking for. Aras Kebab. I love this place. We're gonna go ahead and get a bite to eat over here at Aras Kebab. Alright, we're here at Aras Kebab in Ueno, Tokyo. This spot, I love their shawarmas and their kebabs. We're gonna go ahead and get one, and I love the spice that they have. There's a Gillette special, kebab cheese, all of these cool stuff here at Aras Kebab. Let's go get one. Alright, let's go get some DONER kebab here at Aras Kebab. They even have some shishkas that you could use. That's very interesting. I love their shirt. Here at Aras Kebab, that's awesome. Let's go get some Aras Kebab here in Ueno, Tokyo. Hey brother, I can see your beautiful food. What do you have to offer me? What is the best thing to get here?
Number two.
Number
3.
Number 2 and number 3. What about the DONER kebab? Number 1. I'll get that. I'll get one DONER kebab.
Okay.
The mix. Let's get the mix. Yeah, brother. 800 yen, right? I'll pay here. Yes, I want it spicy. I love spicy food. This guy's gonna hook me up with the best, right? The best spice. Hell yeah, yeah. Let's go. So that is a DONER, right? Awesome. That looks so good. Look at all the meat dripping down. Good juice. This is lamb?
Yeah.
And then this one, beef. Chicken, oh, okay. Oh, beef and chicken. Awesome. That is good right there. Look at that. And he got the spicy sauce hooking me up. Nice. Woo. You can feel the heat from these ovens. It's super hot. But this is DONER kebab. Aras Kebab here in Ueno, Ameyoko, Tokyo. Woo. Let's see how that looks. There you go, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you. All right, look at that big bad boy of this Aras DONER kebab. Super good. This looks super good to eat. Whew. All right, I gotta show you this DONER kebab. Last time I was here, I got the shawarma, but now we got the DONER kebab here at Aras Kebab. I can't stress, I do love them. I've ate them how many times? Every time I do come to Ueno, and I do recommend them if you're looking for some good kebab. They go. Let's go get a bite into this bad boy. DONER kebab. I like how the lettuce is shredded already, and they gave it a big tomato. We're gonna get a big bite into this. This one's a mix. This is chicken and lamb meat, or beef, I think. I forgot what he said. It's a bite. Wow. Oh man, that has a kick. That is spicy, but I love it. I actually want more sauce. This meat is grilled and it's super hot. Right when you like at order, the thing right there is super hot. You can feel the heat. The sauce, it tastes like garlic ranch with like some spices, and then you can see the cabbage or lettuce shredded really nice, and then you got the tomato. I'm gonna go ahead and try to bite that tomato. It's a big slice of tomato. Oh man. Your mouth's probably crazy, but that's a good DONER. I had to get water. That spice is good. I'm not kicking my ass, but it's good. could actually go for more sauce. That's what I need. Let me show you how the package looks. Aras Kebab. It's kind of like a falafel, I would say. Wow. The spice makes you feel really awake. This is a great breakfast for me before I go check out more of Ueno. I can't get this from where I'm from in Guam. The closest I get is a shawarma, which is from Dr. Kebab. But this DONER kebab is really good. And they're not stingy. I just saw they gave a lot. It's packed. The guy sauced me up twice, and it was filled with so much meat and chicken. And the marination for this and how they're grilling it really goes well. This is a good energy booster. The little kick of spice will wake you up. It's great for breakfast and halal. Doner kebab. I'm gonna finish this up, and then we're gonna go look for that parade, that festival that they have from this local University of Arts. So yeah, that's Aras Kebab here in Ueno, Tokyo. I do recommend you check it out. Great food, and it'll give you that boost of energy and kick in your mouth for you to wake up and explore Ueno Ameyoko.